Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a good, cheap upgrade for your shit MK2 struts. Damn. So yeah, let's get to it, eh? So yeah, you know how it is. You're rocking a 30-year-old car that can barely keep it up. These got struts in the boots. You know, they're going to fail off the time, aren't they? I mean, you can see on these here, you know, it's looking a bit greasy. They were good for the time when it came out, but after years of abuse, they are a bit weak. Just got to touch that, and down it goes. Pretty annoying if you're trying to open your boot and it fucking falls on your head. So I've got some replacements. Not only are they going to do a better job than these, but they're going to look a lot better as well. So we'll get these off, get the new ones on, show you the process and show you what these new struts are like. Okay, here is what we are upgrading to. If you know what they're from, if you think you know what they're from, let me know down below and I will let you know a bit later on in the episode. So let's get these separated and get them on the car. Oh, nearly forgot. Today's shirt, it's not a band shirt, music related though. It's Horn and Hoof Records. Cool Manchester punk rock DIY label. Check them out, link to them in the description down below. Back to the struts. Right, these should be fairly easy to get off. Well, I mean, I know this top part has come off already. So that should just clip on there. So hold this open with my head while we get this bottom clip off. Now it's just one of these spring clips, just pops off like that. That comes off. I'll tell you what, after a while it really starts to get heavy on your head. Just be the right side now. Get that clipped on. Get it clipped on up here. That's one side done. Let's do the other one, same process. See how much stronger these are because it's holding it open with one strut. So still I'm going to have the problem where it falls off at the top up here because I don't have a clip for this side. But I'm sure I can get one pretty easy. Okay. So there we go. Let's see how it opens and closes now. Nice, that is smooth. Okay, so has anybody guessed what these are off yet? They're off a Mark IV Golf, and I think this chrome, well look, this silver chromey look looks a lot better than the black. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Got these off eBay for 16 quid, so it's a cheap upgrade. I'm not sure if it's really coming through on camera, but I think these look a million times better than the stock Mark II ones. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you found it useful or interesting, don't forget to give us a like, click on subscribe. Don't forget it's 20% off online manuals at eManual Online. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video again soon. Bye bye. Oh yeah, nearly forgot to demonstrate them with a shelf on. Now that is a little bit tighter to close, but it's not massively tighter. That's looking smooth. Yeah, happy with that.